Cancer, have you noticed how life feels like it's subtly rearranging itself lately? That sense that old patterns, relationships, or situations are shifting, even if you can't yet see the full picture? What if the next 90 days hold the key to releasing what's been weighing you down and stepping into energy that actually serves your goals and emotional balance? This is a collective reading, so take what resonates and leave what doesn't, letting the insights guide you naturally. Hey, it's Ira. Let's explore what's being removed, what's shifting, and where your focus should be to move forward with clarity, confidence, and purpose. The first card is emotional release. Cancer, you've been carrying energy from situations or relationships that no longer serve you. This card emphasizes the importance of letting go, consciously acknowledging old hurts, and making space for new emotional growth. Practically, this might mean setting boundaries, having conversations that were overdue, or consciously choosing not to engage in draining patterns. It's about reclaiming your emotional energy. Emotionally, this can feel bittersweet. You may notice grief or relief emerging simultaneously. Both are natural and necessary for true release. Spiritually, emotional release indicates that your heart is making room for alignment and clarity. By letting go, you invite opportunities that match your authentic self. The second card is Clarity Lens. Situations that seemed confusing are becoming clearer, providing insight into what truly matters. This is the energy of understanding without overthinking, seeing patterns, and recognizing truths that were hidden before. Practically, you may notice solutions appearing, decisions becoming obvious, or priorities realigning naturally. Small realizations can compound into major guidance for your next steps. Emotionally, there's a sense of relief mixed with curiosity. Some things that felt uncertain may suddenly feel aligned with your purpose. Spiritually, Clarity Lens signifies enhanced perception. Your intuition is sharpened, and your decisions carry more confidence because they are informed by awareness rather than doubt. The third card is Energy Reset. Old habits, attachments, or obligations are being released to restore balance and vitality. Cancer, this is a time to consciously let go of anything draining your energy. Practically, it could involve simplifying routines, distancing from unhelpful environments, or pausing projects that don't align. Each release frees space for focus and productivity. Emotionally, expect shifts that bring relief along with a touch of apprehension. Change can feel uncertain, but it is essential for growth. Spiritually, Energy Reset allows your natural flow to reemerge. When old energies are cleared, alignment becomes visible, opening space for momentum. The fourth card is Momentum Flow. After clearing what doesn't serve you, you are positioned to act on priorities with focus and clarity. This energy emphasizes intentional, practical movement. Practically, take deliberate steps toward projects, personal goals, or self-care routines. Even small, consistent actions create visible results. Emotionally, you'll notice motivation rising naturally. Tasks that once felt burdensome now carry purpose and energy. Spiritually, Momentum Flow confirms that aligned effort draws opportunities and people to you, amplifying your outcomes. If you want deeper insights into 2026, a full month-by-month forecast is available for $155, providing timing, guidance, and strategic direction tailored to your energy. The fifth card is Intuitive Guidance. Your intuition is heightened now, offering subtle yet accurate signals about decisions, people, or situations. Practically, trust gut feelings and recurring insights, even when the logic isn't immediately clear. Acting on them brings alignment and clarity. Emotionally, following your intuition builds confidence. Each correct insight reinforces trust in your inner guidance. Spiritually, this energy deepens your connection with guidance, allowing informed, aligned decisions that resonate with your path. The sixth card is Opportunity Openings. New possibilities are presenting themselves, reflecting the clarity and action you've cultivated. Practically, be alert for invitations, projects, or collaborations that align with your priorities. Timing is key. Take opportunities deliberately. Emotionally, excitement and anticipation arise. Recognize the value of prior effort, as it is now manifesting. Spiritually, opportunity openings signifies alignment, attracting the right circumstances, people, and timing into your life naturally. The seventh card is supportive alliances. Relationships and partnerships that genuinely support your growth are solidifying. Others who aren't aligned may naturally drift away. Practically invest time and energy into meaningful collaborations. Focus on quality interactions rather than quantity. Emotionally, reassurance grows as you feel supported by those who resonate with your energy. Trust strengthens naturally. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to connect with this collective energy and help others access these insights. The eighth card is manifested results. Tangible outcomes from focus, clarity, and intentional action become visible. Projects, goals, or emotional growth are realized in practical ways. Practically, you may notice recognition, progress on personal or professional goals, or enhanced stability. This card reflects your efforts bearing fruit. Emotionally, a sense of pride, excitement, and motivation arises. You can acknowledge how far you've come. Spiritually, manifested results signals ongoing momentum and confirms that clarity, aligned action, and conscious effort lead to tangible outcomes. Your affirmation: I release what no longer serves me, focus intentionally, and step confidently into clarity, alignment, and opportunity over the next 90 days.